Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a thought-provoking article from the Times of India titled India's Manufactured Problem, written by none other than Arvind Panagaria, an esteemed economist and former vice chairman of Niti Aayog. His insights often stirred discussions, and today we will be breaking down his views and adding our own perspective. Let's get started. In his article, Arvind argues that many of the economic issues India is facing are often blown out of proportion or are manufactured problems. He touches on topics like trade deficit, economic growth, and policy criticism. For example, he points out that while trade deficits are seen as a major problem, they can also indicate strong economic activity and consumer demand. Essentially, he is calling out the media and policymakers from focusing on the negative without acknowledging the broader context. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While Arvind makes a valid point about media exaggerations, I believe it's crucial to consider why these narratives gain so much traction. One reason could be the gap between economic growth figure and the lived experience of the common people. For instance, we often hear about GDP growth, but do we see that reflected in job creation or better wages? That disconnect can make people skeptical of positive economic reports. Another point Arvind makes is about policy criticism. Sometimes these criticisms are necessary to push for better accountability. However, he warns against letting these criticisms overshadow the achievements. I would add that healthy criticism is essentially for a democracy, but it's our responsibility to distinguish between constructive feedback and baseless blame games. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. India is at a crossroads with its economy balancing growth, sustainability, and inclusivity. Arvind article urges us not to get lost in premises. For instance, while inflation is a concern, it's a part of global trend, not just an Indian problem. By understanding the nuances, we can better appreciate the policy decisions and the challenge they address. In conclusion, Arvind, India's manufactured problem serves as a reminder to stay informed but also to keep an open mind about the complexities of economics. As viewers and readers, it's important to question both the alarmist headline and the overly optimistic ones. I hope this analysis helped you see the article from a fresh perspective. If you find this breakdown insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more such content. Let's keep the conversation going.